Hi everyone, this is my first ever video I'm posting on YouTube. I'm a bit nervous, so please bear with me. I've just bought this Clarke Bandit compressor for a few upholstery projects, and the first compressor I was looking to buy was the Stanley, cheaper one. But when I heard and saw lots and lots of reviews about it, that it's very, very loud, and I went to actually hear it myself, it was actually very, very loud. So I ended up at Machine Mart, and I'm so glad I did, because I've fallen in love with this Clarke Bandit. It's absolutely amazing. It's the perfect size. I can carry it around. It's very inexpensive, I think, personally, because my previous upholstery project I did was with a electric staple gun, and that was very, very painful to use. But overall, I'd like to thank Machine Mart, and the people inside were amazing, very helpful. I was very apprehensive because it is quite scary to look at and to use at the beginning, but you will get used to it. It's just basic instructions. You follow them and it's absolutely fine to use. So the first thing I'd like to mention was it's an oil compressor. It comes as a kit. It comes the compressor unit. It comes with a staple gun, nail gun, and also a few accessories. I had to buy the smaller 16mm staples separately. Now, I personally feel the staple gun is slightly heavier for upholstery work. It's very sturdy and well built for a nail gun, but for upholstery work it's slightly heavier. I'd advise on buying something lighter than this one. The day I actually initially unboxed, the coil line wasn't attaching itself properly, so I had to exchange it for this one. So the actual coil line is meant to be red like the machine and staple gun.
You have to hold it properly, mommy.
Here I made a little mistake. I stapled a few of the nails in which weren't driven in. That was due to my error because I had the air on off. So to get it really sunken in, the pressure from here, from this bar here, has to be adjusted clockwise, and to reduce it for staples I have it on 90. Increase the pressure a bit and see how it goes. So that's a lot better than the rest. Now we want to turn it off. We turn off the air, disconnect from here, turn the power button off, release the air a bit from here. There's nothing stuck in there. Turn it off from the mains, just in case there's any amount of moisture in there. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for future videos. See you next time. Bye.